learn about pictographs. How do we read graphs? Who has an idea of how we read graphs? We did telegraphs last week. How do we read graphs? Dorian?
Is this some kind of pictures? Pictures?
Right, so pictographs are graphs that use pictures to show data. Let's look at this picture graph. This picture graph, how do we read a picture graph? First we read the title, favorite balloon color. So I know that what? This graph is going to tell me about what? The data on this graph will show me, Marcus, people's favorite balloon colors. So here on the side I have my 3 colors, right? And then I have the pictures to show me how many people voted for each color. Show me with your fingers how many people voted for green. That's right, 3 people voted for green. How many people voted for red? Show me with your fingers. 6. And how many people voted for orange? 5. Good job. So first thing we do with a picture graph is read the title so we know what it's going to tell us. 2, look at the data. Look at what we're measuring and then look at the measurement. Is that crystal
Clear!
Let's look at this graph. Favorite balloon colors that we just looked at. Now, how do we answer questions using the picture graph? We can look at our data and find out what the question is asking us, right? How many people voted for a red balloon? I want you guys to write this down on your board. How many people voted for red? Look at the picture. How many people voted for red? Remember, picture graph is going to tell us, it's going to use pictures to show us the quantity. Boards up. That's right. 6 people voted for a balloon. Go down. How many people voted for a green balloon? Write that down on your board. How many people voted for a green balloon? Love how quickly and quietly the blue row's working. How many people voted for green? Boards up. See, almost everyone has their boards up. 3, good job. Now, this is a tricky question. We really must look at our data in the picture graph. Which color balloon received the most votes? What am I asking if I'm asking for the most votes? What does this question want us to know? Kiman? Let's listen to the question. Which color balloon received the most? It's not asking me how many in all, right? How many votes in all. What is it asking me, London?
It's asking how many has the most.
Which balloon got the most votes? So how should I figure this question out? What should I do, Cross?
You should subtract.
We're looking for how many votes, what balloon got the most votes. So what should we do? Not subtract, Cross. We're not doing any kind of addition or subtraction here. Listen to the question. Elijah?
You should look at the graph to see who has the most.
So you should look at the graph and look at which color got the biggest number of votes. So which color got the biggest number of votes? Write it down in your graph, in your bar, please. I'm sorry, on your table. Look at the graph and tell me which color got the most votes. Was it green? Was it red? Or was it orange? Let's see. Let's see, waiting for all my friends to be done so we can all show our answers together. Which color got the most votes? Boards up. Let's see. Good job. Everyone wrote red. Why does red have the most votes? Silent 5. Micah?
Because it has 6.
It has 6. Is 6 bigger than 3?
No.
Yes. Right? So more people voted for red than green. Is 6 bigger than 5?
Yes.
So people voted for red, then orange. Red was the one that got the most votes. Good job. Board down. Now let's do our own graph as a class. I love how everyone in the green row has their board down. Almost everybody. Okay, awesome job. Let's see. Look at these colored marbles on my left. We have red, yellow, orange, and blue. As a class, we're going to vote and make our own picture graph. You can only vote once. Whose favorite marble is red? Raise your hand if red would be your favorite marble. So we have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 3 votes for red. So I'm going to draw 3 red marbles because this is a pictograph and you use pictures to show data. So this is 3 red marbles, right? For the 3 people that like the red marble. How many people like the